Ndereti ya gũtukania mathomo ma arutani a natharĩ ECDE na arutani a thukuru cia mũthingi igĩtemanio nĩ kĩũngano kĩa anyiti itemi arĩa nĩ arutani a thukuru cia university mbere ya kamĩtĩ ya gĩthomo ya Senate ta ũrĩa yendekithĩtio nĩ Ministry ya Gĩthomo. Arutani aya maugĩte gũkũ nĩ kwagĩra arutani a natharĩ kĩene amu aingĩ ao nĩ arĩa mekũrĩra.
Basically teaching children how to learn. The primary colleagues are teaching children how to now do mathematics, do English, and do all those subjects. As we are preparing children in terms of self-control, in terms of relationships, in terms of emotional control and focus. That is the science of ECD and the science that UNICEF talks about, the nurturing care.
Almost all the arid and semi-arid lands, all the teachers who are teaching at ECD are certificate holders. And if we do away with the certificate, it means all those children in the arid and semi-arid land are not going to get teachers.
As you move forward, there's no way you can have somebody who deals with the mucus of these children to go and teach in grade 6. Let us be fair to ourselves and to our country.
Gavana wa Kericho Eric Mutai akĩrũgamĩrĩra kanjũ ya magavana augĩte na kwĩbĩta ekũthiĩ igoti-inĩ kũrũgamia rĩendekithia rĩrĩ rĩa thirikari.
As a COG, we are saying that this is an affront to devolution. This is something that is unacceptable, and where we sit, we are ready to go the full length. If the ministry would not listen to you when you summon them next week, we are preparing our lawyers to go to court like yesterday, because this thing is just wrong and is totally against the devolution of this nation. So
kamĩtĩ ya Senate ĩgĩtĩkanĩria na ikundi ici cierĩ yugĩte ĩkwandĩkĩra Ministry ya Gĩthomo marũa yũke ĩtarĩrie gĩtũmi gĩa kwenda gũtukania mathomo ma ikĩro ici cia arutani.
The impact of this circular is dire on the livelihoods and rights of people. He clearly does not understand what a policy is. You can't make a policy by 7 sentences when you have not had any prior conversation around it. Actually, this letter amounts to a policy shift.
And for sure, let us not politicize this issue. This is a very fundamental issue which is affecting many people in this republic.
Ona gũkĩrĩ ũguo, mwandĩki mũkaru Ministry-inĩ ya Gĩthomo kĩa mũthingi Julius Bitok ugĩte watho ũyũ wendekithĩtio nĩ kanjũ ya kwagĩrithia gĩthomo bũrũri-inĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Masi wa Ndia wa Mũrĩithi.
To retract his circular with immediate effect. 2.